We're just taking a ride through Christchurch. We got Bouncer Man Barney here. Look at him. Oh, look how big that guy is.
Gosh, I'm just living my pest life, and we're in Dallington, and this pest called Jeremy. You've heard him, you've seen him, and we're about to witness him live in person. Live your pest life. See you later.
Wow. There he is. Look at this little spot. Jeremy from Kaos Kustoms, tell us about your shed, brother.
Well, it's chaos. It's organised chaos. It's fucking shit for Africa, but yeah, just organised chaos. Small bike, mayhem, custom, whatever the fuck you want, basically. It's just good fun with good people.
So this is the man in Christchurch that does all the custom builds for all the boys out here. He's putting life-ins in, he's hotting them up, he's doing all sorts of stuff. And this is the crew, the boys. They come to see it as well. So step inside, brothers, let's have a look.
Hey, I'm actually his neighbour. Can you just shut this up?
So that's one of the bike kits. It's the 13-inch kit. This brake pick upside down forks. It's got a 140 in it as well, which we all know 140s are a bitch to start anyway. Wrong pipe, so we're going to have to do something else with the pipe on it. But digital dash, magnetic speedo, what a cool shit on it. So versus the Goldie one, that one's a couple of grand without a motor. Yeah, and the big one up there is the other one they're doing. But these are all part kits they got in the cancelled order, so we're kind of just piecing shit together to see what we can make and what they can sell and how good they are. But that's the same swing arm again, the same shocks. And I can certainly rate them. And then we've got all the Kaos collection, K50, Kelly with the 110, RD50, 1980, MR50, 1980, TY50, the 74 I think, and Suzanne, which is the Suzuki with the life. That makes sense.
And whose little monkeys are those up in the top?
Well,
there?
technically I own one, and I gave one to the daughter for her birthday, so I don't own the green one, but the green one has had a mild restoration yet to be completed, and the red one's got a 125 semi-automatic, and it's hard to hold on to.
And is that a Rossi replica helmet?
Yeah, man.
Oh, beauty. That might be missing when I leave.
It's one of the first ones actually, one of the first replica helmets after he started winning stuff. So that's an old helmet, but it's in really, really good condition. So had to start collecting them, and all the old ones, all the old crash or skull caps that I used to wear when I was a kid, riding Hondas and three-wheelers and stuff, and still survive. So helmets are still out there, and just adds to the memorabilia and the fun of the shed, really. Bought that new with his XR200. Look at the condition of it. And it was stored like it's mint. Doesn't smell, but mint condition. I've worn it a few times now. It's got a bit of dust on it, but it's been no UV breakdown. Still plastic solid. I'd wear that on any bike, but just perfect condition.
I know that is. You don't find them like that.
No.
You can find them, but they're normally poked.
Yeah, 1982 or something. Bought it brand new with his XR250 that he used to take up the back pads over on the coast.
Awesome. Bonnie, tell us about the bike, brother.
Well, I'll tell you what, I had a separation at birth, and I've just been reunited, and it's a great feeling. I shed a single tear as soon as I sat on it. To be honest, I'm trying not to fart, but I'm having a great time. I'm living my best life. It's organised chaos around here, and I tell you what, if there's anything custom, it's Kaos, and it's in Dallington, and you know, house prices increased tenfold since Kaos came to the neighbourhood. You know, any real estate agents around here ain't got nothing on me, because I've got the inside knowledge. So yeah, thank you.
Yeah, man. Thanks, Jeremy. Awesome to see your shed again, but I know I've been here before. But my man Barney was fizzing to check it out. Are you fizzed?
I'm more than fizzing, eh? I am fizzing.